Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. As you can see, I'm sitting in the farm south of Baghdad in Wasat, and I have a message to you as an English teacher, as an English student. Maybe this comes as something that is irrelevant to grammar or vocabulary or idiomatic expressions or something. This is far beyond that. It's a message of what you can do and where you can do and how you can do it. As a language learner and as a teacher, some people feel that they have to be working in a very professional, cutting edge, highly technologically advanced context, a company, or a school or education facility or American university to be able to become productive and deliver their experiences and share their thoughts with the world. And that is not the case. You can sit among the cows and still become very successful person. I was watching one of the famous YouTubers in Africa. He created a very beautiful cinematic movie from his phone, and some of the famous YouTubers in the United States and UK just saw that video and they were shocked because of the amount of effort that he put in that video. And he was living in a very poor suburban area of the city where he was located. They thought that they will give him a gesture of support, and they collected some money and they sent him very good technology devices to help him do his work there. So the point that I want to mention is that if you're a teacher, you have a message, you have experience, you should document it. And I've been saying that, reiterating that on multiple occasions. That is very significant to document your effort, no matter where you are, whether you are in a farm, enjoying relaxation and enjoying nature, or you're in a very professional company. You just need to tell people about your experience. And this is about sharing. You need to empty your cup, as one of my friends said, that you need to share your experience with the world and tell people what you know and tell people that you exist. Because without your experience, without manifesting the kind of skills that you have, people are not going to know the value of your personality and the value of who you are. Also, as you can notice, that there's been a steady decline in the quality of education this generation is getting due to lots of distractions and a lack of care to syllabus and curriculum design of textbooks with the goals that they have in mind regarding study and education and hiring and employment. So probably sharing that kind of experience that you have, whether that's profitable or just for personal improvement, is going to add up to and stack up to the sharing of experiences and the acquisition of benefits from that kind of experience in society. So please share any videos that you have regarding language or culture or history or geography. Just document that, throw it on YouTube. 2 to 3 years later, probably some people will just start watching you and learn from you and maybe consider you as a role model. So that's my message to you, and I thought of sharing that with you, just hoping that it might help you. I hope you have a very relaxing and enjoyable day today. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.